Now our review from last week, right? Now, when we get down here, we see that equal sign. So I know that it's a lot in our brains, right? Oh, well, I have a number outside of parentheses, so I got to remember my lines. Oh, I have an equal sign, so I have to remember a different type of line. Do what you can to remember that stuff, okay? So draw your line through your draw your barrier through your equal sign, right? Think about what you want to get alone, that negative 9x. So what am I moving? What am I moving? That minus 13. How do I move it? What's the opposite? Plus 13 here, plus 13 here. Negative 13 plus 13 cancels out, leaving me with negative 9x. Here we have 103 and 13 are on opposite sides, so subtract them. You would get 90. 103 is a bigger number, so it's negative 90. Then again, I want to get that x alone. We talked about this at our last welcome work. When two numbers are next to each other, that means that they are being multiplied. So right now, these are being multiplied. The inverse of that multiplication is division. So divide here by negative 9. Divide here by negative 9. Remember, take that sign with it. That leaves me with 1x, or just x. 90 divided by 9 is 10. Two negatives make a positive. Two negatives make a positive. All right, for number 2, what is our first step?
Draw our barrier.
What's our second step?
Circle what you want to get alone.
Way to go, guys. Look at you going. All right, what are we moving?
The -1.
Good. So what's the inverse of -1?
+1.
Good. That cancels out. What do we have over here?
I don't know.
Well, do your little T-chart. We have a 2 here. We have a 1 here. Oh, what does that mean?
Subtract.
Good. 2 minus 1 is 1. What's the sign?
Negative.
Good. All right, now again, thinking about what you want to get alone, it's the m. Thinking about what operation this is.
Division.
So what's the inverse of division?
Multiplication.
Good. So multiply, remember on our Excel, right? When that line was there, we did that inverse. So multiply by 9 on both sides. That leaves me with m equals 1 times 9 is 9, and their opposite signs, so it's a negative. So that is our review from last week.